and welcome to 5 Minutes With. Today we've got 5 minutes with a writer. Hello.
Hi.
Are you okay to introduce yourself and let us know a little bit about your job?
Yeah, so I'm Joshua Jones. I'm a writer and poet based in Cardiff, originally from Llanelli, South Wales. And yeah, I'm writing and becoming part of the creative scene in Cardiff and trying to build a community.
And so when did that start for you? When did you realise that writing was something that you wanted to do?
I was always the kid reading, buried in a book, but I never considered writing seriously. And I wrote all the way through university and took part in like open mics and poetry slams. But it wasn't until I did my masters when I started taking writing much more seriously and felt like it was something I could actually do.
Yeah. And talking about doing it, I noticed we've bought some things in. Could you talk us through some of these things that you brought with you and like your contributions and what you've written about? Because I think that'd be really interesting to kind of delve into your work.
Where should we start?
wherever you're happy to, really.
Okay, so I guess the most recent thing is this collection, Fistful of Flowers, which came out last month, and is a collaboration between myself and another artist called Caitlin Flood Molyneux, who's a collage artist, an abstract expressionist. So she made all of these artworks to go with the poems, which I can show to the camera. And yeah, made the front and the back cover. She's incredible, someone that I've collaborated with quite a lot.
Nice.
And next, so following on from that, we have Queer Reflections, which is an exhibition I'm a part of in the Glyn Vivian Art Gallery in Swansea, where this art collective I'm a part of, On Your Face Collective, we got the opportunity to respond to the artworks in the Glyn Vivian's archive and basically queer up the museum. So this has my poem in it, but I designed the whole thing and I added everyone's work into it as well. So we have a physical zine of everyone's work, and they're all like ceramicists, animators, filmmakers, photographers, and writers as well.
Do you have any kind of advice or tips for like early career like writers who are trying to, I guess, get to your point where you've got your own like zines and you've contributed to anthologies and stuff? Do you have any advice that you'd give to people who want to kind of do that but haven't necessarily delved into that world yet, of how you can kind of get started and things that you can do to make sure that you kind of keep the ball rolling with all of that?
First of all, find community, online and in person, as much as you can. Also, with the rise of social media communities like writing communities on Twitter, Twitter's the best for writers. Way more than Instagram, for example. But yeah, definitely get involved, but don't ignore the power of local communities. Like Cardiff has tons of writing groups. And there'll definitely be one to fit you. If there isn't, make your own. Never write or work in a vacuum, because the context is everything, community is everything, I think. And get used to rejection. Don't take it seriously, or take it personally. Because a publication may get hundreds, and they're only publishing 1% of that. And by saying that, when submitting to magazines, read them. Don't just blindly send works to them. And champion them online as well. Retweet them, engage with them, read them. That goes a long way. A lot of writers take rejections personally, and then affects their mental health, and it like stops writing, which is just should never do that.
I think that's some good advice.
And say yes to as many things as you can.
Speaking of which, could you just give us a little overview and let people know where they can find all of your different bits of work, if they wanted to buy it, if they wanted to read it, kind of where they could get that, because I think that would be really useful.
Yeah, So we'll start off with Take a Bite, the Rhys Davies Short Story Award Anthology. This is on Parthian's website.
Okay.
In Defence of Pseudoscience by Reflex Press on their website.
Yep.
Footprints, an anthology of eco-poetry by Broken Sleep Books.
Yep.
On their website. Fistful of Flowers by myself and Caitlin Flood Molyneux.
Yep.
Directly from me via my website.
What is your website called? My
website is www.ermos.com, which is a made-up word.
Okay. How do you spell that?
ERMOSE.
Okay. Amazing. So it's been great to speak to you. It's been great to kind of find out about all this, and I definitely will be having a little read of all these bits. So thank you for being here today.
Yes, thank you very much.
It's been really good.
Cheers.
And thank you for watching this episode of 5 Minutes With. Make sure that you keep up with the Creative Cardiff social media for the next episode.